Hey everybody, I wanted to share with you that we have a new feature implemented on the website now, which hopefully can help those of you who are in the market for a dermatoscope and you're really trying to compare the different features between the different models. And what makes this different is that it is an interactive chart, and I'll show you here what I mean. Now, I will preface this by saying that although it should work on your phone, it's probably best viewed from a full-size PC or your laptop, perhaps even a tablet. But as you can see, this is a lot of information to take in and maybe a little bit difficult to do it all on your phone. Wherever you move your finger or your cursor, wherever you see a feature on here flashing, that means that if you click it, it will provide additional information after the click. Okay, so we use the DL1 as an example. First of all, obviously one of the biggest questions everyone has when they're thinking about the different dermatoscopes is what are the prices? So if you click on this or any of these others, it will show you a pop-up which has both the price as well as a couple of links. One link, the buy now link. If you know you want it and you're ready to buy, click the buy now link and it will take you directly to the checkout. But if you've kind of narrowed down your choices and you do want to read in more detail, then if you click learn more, it will take you to the full website page where you can read all of the details about the DL1 or any of the others. And as we move down, again, we're keeping an eye out for wherever it blinks. You see there where it just jumped up? So under the batteries, let's say you're curious to learn more about the battery or just purchase a replacement battery. Click on here and it takes you to the web page for that particular battery. Connectability, notice the green check, it flashes. If I click on here, this will take you to the different connection options that are available, ranging from the clamps to the device-specific cases like these iPhone cases. And then down here, probably the most informative addition to this chart is wherever we have been able to add a video clip. And so here, these are what I call quick tips. Like for example, click on here, and this video, it's only about 4 minutes long. We'll briefly talk about the DL1, what's the difference between the DL1 and the DL1 Basic. Some of these others, when you click, it brings you to the summary page from what was a larger, more in-depth review video. But here, again, it's just quick tip. So if you're looking for a summary of who that particular dermatoscope would be good for, that's what you'll find here. And so those quick tips are available in all of the dermatoscopes that we have on this chart. Another feature that I myself, prior to starting the dermatoscope store, that kind of confused me was the PigmentBoost. And we get a lot of questions about it. So I'll show you here. As you hover over PigmentBoost here, click on there, and then you can watch this video in which I talk about what is PigmentBoost and what's the difference between PigmentBoost and PigmentBoost Plus. So again, the purpose is to really help those of you who are trying to get some clarity on the different features between the various Dermlite dermatoscopes. And I think with this chart, we're able to provide that clarity. So I'll put a link below. If y'all have any questions, as usual, just let me know. Thanks.